Hi everyone, this is Doreen. In today's video, we see Elvis meeting LJ and Gibbs for the first time. Let's see how that turns out. Elvis, we're going in the back. We're gonna get some friends for you. Okay, guys. Elvis, look what we got! Look what we got, honey! I bought a dress for you. We got a couple of friends for you.
Good enough, close enough.
Yeah, there you go. What do you think, Elvis? He doesn't know what to think. You guys singing to each other? Huh? And singing to each other? Oh, you don't know what to do, huh, Elvis?
This is where the National likes you.
Oh my God. They're crawling upside down on the cage to get to Elvis. Hopefully he doesn't bite his toes off. All right, hey. No biting toes. Nope. Elvis, you might want to get off of there. LJ's just down there watching all the drama. Hey guys, you know the doors are open, right? You know, both your doors are open. You don't have to sit there, you can come out. You can come out. Looks like he's coming around again. Okay, yeah. Oh, uh-oh. Elvis? Whoa. All right, guys. We're going to need to step back with these guys. We need to keep them out of each other's cages for a while until Elvis can calm down a little bit. He's just a little too excited about LJ and Gibbs, and they don't seem to feel the same about him right now. They're still in the same room, just not out of their cages at the same time anymore. Thank you for stopping by and watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And Elvis, LJ, Gibbs, and I will see you again soon.